Alright, everybody always does one of these videos, so I'm going to do one too. What is in your fridge? This is what's in my fridge. Alright, this stuff it's a newfound love for me. I don't know if you can see too well or not. This is definitely my favorite flavor too. Black raspberry, so good. 0 calories, no sugar, no carbs, no protein, just pure vitamin water basically. Liquid egg whites, eggs, ground turkey, yogurt, Del Monte fruit, keep my Powerade there in the back, some more ground turkey that I gotta cook up tonight. I keep my oatmeal packets in here, orange juice, Tropicana, yes sir, water, spaghetti sauce, no sugar added. And then down here I keep like the food that I cook. I keep this down here all packaged up. That's chicken, and that's my steak. And then on my side over here, spray butter, Parmesan. This is my olive oil butter. Just some of my condiments, and the most important part, beer. That's pretty much it. There's nothing in here. I usually keep bottles of water in there, but I don't have any in there right now. So that's my fridge video.